Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a double unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited because this is a present for myself. I was gonna film this last week together with my other present, but this came very maybe like at least 3 or 4 days late, so I decided to just do like a double unboxing. So anyways, let's just start. I already throw the box that it comes with because I sprayed them with Lysol, just to make sure that it's corona safe. But anyway, let's open this first because this came without no ribbon, but this one did, so I was confused about that. But anyways, let's just open this up. Okay, so it has a tag, and you might think, what is it? It is, I'm just gonna like slide this here. It is a bandeau. Okay, so let me just, so this one is tribute to bandeau. I was gonna get the confidential bandeau, I believe, in like brown, but they always out of stock. I always check if they were in stock, but like they were always out of stock when I check online. So I couldn't wait, and then I saw this and it says tribute to bandeau, and they were in stock, so I got this instead. And it's really cute because you can see like the bandolier, the alma, like the other bag right there, and in this side as well. And it's kind of long actually, so I'm gonna use this to my Speedy 25. Like I'll like wrap this around to my Speedy 25, or I also see a lot of people wearing this like as like a hair band, something like that. So I'll definitely, okay, so this is the other side as well right there, and it says, oh, I just have to take that off. There it says Louis Vuitton in the other side, and it also says here Louis Vuitton right there. So the other side has like a lot of bags right there, a lot of bags, and then the other side is, I believe, this strap, or yeah, right there, the LV. So it is so cute. Like I think I'm planning to wear these if I'm not using it on my Speedy 25. I'll just use it as a like a bandeau, or whatever, because I saw this girl on YouTube and she said you can use this 5 ways. So I'll definitely go ahead and check her out again. So anyways, the price for this one I believe is 100 something. It is $195 US, and for tax I paid $11.70. So that's the price for the bandeau right here. All the measurements, I'll just probably put it on the screen if you guys are wondering. So next one is this one, and I'm so excited because for some reason a couple of years ago when I was looking at this item, the lady at the Louis Vuitton told me that it's they, how do you call that, discontinue this product or this item together with a lot of stuff, but for some reason they restock. So I was like, is this real? So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because I've been like eyeing this product as well. So let's just unbox this. I'm really excited. Okay, so and it's different, box is bigger than the other ones. Okay, it comes with a dust bag. You guys know what it is. Oh my god, I'm excited because I haven't opened it. Oh my goodness, it is the oh my goodness, it's the Louis Vuitton 4-key holder. I was shocked when I saw this. It was in stock. I was like, I thought they discontinued it, but it's, oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. So I got the 4 just because I don't have too many keys. I literally have 2. I'm using my Kless right now in monogram as well, and see, I only have just a car key and a house key. That's it. Like I don't have any extra keys to put in here. so that's why I choose the 4, because I was gonna get the 6 key holder, but then I was scrolling to the LV site and I saw the 4 key in stock. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So that's why I got it. And it was a not Christmas, a birthday gift for myself. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. So it's 4 key right there, 1 2 3 4, and it's made in France right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but Louis Vuitton, made in I was gonna get the mirror Eben, but for some reason they were out of stock, so I got the monogram instead. But it's fine because I also like the monogram print. So I'm just gonna show you guys like the back look like. And this is, oh, right here. What is this? Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the like the code or whatever. So anyways, I also got this one in the multicolor on Instagram online, and I'm still happy about this. Actually, it's just kind of dirty, and I also used this a couple of months ago, and I've been just trying to keep this on the dust bag because, like I said, it's white, and well, I said in a previous video when I unboxed this, it's white and I don't want it to get like ruined it. But sometimes I switched my key clasp to like the Gucci and to like the mirror band, and then right now I'm using the monogram. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to put your keys in. So what you're gonna do is click this, or like push it, both of it, push it, both of these sides you gotta push, and you have to slide, and there you go. So I think I'm just gonna transfer my keys here really quick to show you how I would put them. So I got my my house key here, and let me just take this out. And what we'll do is probably just put it in the end here. I'll take these and just slide it. Okay, there you go. Slide, and then I'll take the other one and put it here. If you have this circle stuff, it will help out, but I think I'm gonna do is take this out because I don't want the key to be out here. I want it to be inside. So I think I'm gonna do is I have a Nissan Altima car key. So what I like about this is I'll just put this here. I'll like insert it, see, and then I'm gonna put this in the end. So all right, okay, so I'm just gonna slide this back, and voila. See how I like this without this extra circle ring, because I don't want my key to be in this little bit lower. I want it just as is. So I would like I do have a some cards, how do you call that, like my Planet Fitness gym card, but we're in the middle of pandemic right now. They closed down all like the gym, so I just I removed it. So I would just like use it like this, like my car key and my house key. So this is how they look like. It's brown inside, like the interior right there. So that's what it looks like. And I believe the price of this, let me just get the receipt real quick. So the price for the 4 key holder is $225 US, and the tax is, I paid $13.50. So that's the price for this one. I do know that the LV or the Louis Vuitton has been increasing their price. Last March they increased twice, which is kind of a like why we're like literally in the middle of pandemic, and I don't know what's the reason of increasing the price. Like even my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, I'm glad that I purchased all of them, because I paid I believe $350, and now they increased it to $15, which is like $365 USD already, and some of my subscribers noticed that, and they told me like, did you know that they increased the price? And then I was looking, I went in there in the website, and some of the even the Louis Vuitton Speedy, they increased the price. They also increased the price of the believe the card holder. So most items, especially the new Louis Vuitton, like the pochette, not the mini one but the pochette, they increased the price as well, because I was gonna get that, but they just increased the price for some reason. And I don't know if the other luxury brands are doing that, but let me know, because I still don't have any idea why they're doing this, you know, price increase like literally twice. And it's just kind of frustrating. And I think they want the people that, you know, they want the people to like really buy, especially if it's like a hard to get item. And even the class, they increased the price as well, and I'm just glad. I think I'm not gonna get the Mir Azure. It's just because like I have so many wallets now and like the class, and I think, you know, I'm good with like my little you know, like SLGs, especially from the Louis Vuitton. So anyway guys, that is all for this double unboxing. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.